Weather 12 forecast.
Well, of course, the big weather story this week will be the heat each day getting hotter and more humid. Of course, very comfortable today. A little on the breezy side, but otherwise we'll take the sunshine and the dry weather. Kind of a cloud-sun mixture right now, depending on your location. Narragansett Town Beach, folks enjoying the sunshine. Okay, here's how this is breaking down, because the National Weather Service does handle various what we call zones or sectors within the southern New England area. So the heat advisory for most of us, at least in Rhode Island and out towards eastern Massachusetts, officially starts on noon on Wednesday. However, in the far northwest corner of the state, right up in here, your Foster, Gloucester area, Burrillville, and that includes our friends over the border in northeastern Connecticut, it actually starts the heat advisory tomorrow afternoon. Bottom line, getting very warm to hot over the next several days. But by far, the worst of the heat and the humidity will be Wednesday, Thursday, and on into Friday. All right, looking at the partly sunny skies in Providence, I got a gusty breeze, temperatures that are well into the 70s. Looking at Newport Harbor right now, where it's cooler and more refreshing, and it's locations like Newport and along the South Shore, more than likely during this potential heat wave this week, not getting to 90 degrees. That won't mean that it's not very warm. More than likely being held in the 80s along the South Shore. So the nice weather continues this evening, and the heat and the humidity building starting a little bit tomorrow, and then really kicking into high gear Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Really not much in the way of rain until perhaps some isolated thunderstorms by Friday, Saturday, and on into Sunday. Satellite and radar composite actually shows what appears to be a little sprinkle out in northeast Connecticut, but otherwise we're quiet in terms of precipitation. There's a few extra clouds to our north mixing with the sunshine. Cold front well to our west, warm front to our north, and it's this sector right in here. Let me show you the temperatures right now across the Midwest and the Ohio Valley. It's well into the 90s. This is headed our way over the next several days, and this darker green indicates high dew points or high humidity. So it's not a dry heat, it's a combination of unusually warm or hot temperatures along with the high humidity. You get the feel-like temperature, what's called the heat index. And at times that's going to be running close to 100 degrees, especially kicking in or starting on Wednesday. So the forecast tomorrow afternoon is generally in that 85 to near 90 degree range across interior sections, and generally 70s, mid to upper 70s along the coastline. Again, there is a heat advisory for northwest Rhode Island only. Elsewhere, our heat advisory officially kicks in on Wednesday. But for this evening, it's actually comfortable and breezy under partly cloudy skies at 11 o'clock, 68 degrees. Tomorrow morning, looking at some sunshine, rapid warm up, 11 a.m., 83 and more humid. And then during the afternoon, getting up to the upper 80s, so maybe near 90 across far northwest Rhode Island. The beaches in the South Shore will be held into the 70s. Bay forecast has that wind kind of busy out of the southwest, 10 to 15 is pumping in both very warm temperatures and the high humidity. The beaches, sunshine and dry, air temperature 76, water temperature now is into the upper 60s. But the heat really kicking in. That's not to say tomorrow is a cool day. It's not. It's very warm. And then kicking in Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Don't look for a lot of rain or thunder on Friday. There's the chance of an isolated storm, but it's basically a hot and humid day. Chance for some isolated thunderstorms on Saturday and Sunday. And again, I think both days, a vast majority of the time, it's actually rain-free, but not quite as hot.
All right, Tony, thank you. Still to come on 12 News at 4, East Providence.